Alright, hey guys, it's your boy Rad King here, back with another video, and today we're going to try different cotton candy things. Oh, yeah, it's something, but it says cotton candy sampler. So I got my family here, but they don't wanna be in the camera, so. Yeah, that's my mom. So we're just gonna open this, and the flavors are cherry, orange, grape. Grape is always great. Watermelon. Lemon, and blue raspberry. So we're gonna try all of them and like rank them from best to worst. So let's get all of these opened and we'll see which one is the best. Alright, as you can see, the cherry one, it looks very nice. You know, it's very. It looks like the stuff in the attic, you know, insulation. So let's try it. Just like normal cotton candy.
Yep.
I rate this
an A. I give it an A. We're gonna do like a grading scale.
Probably out of 10.
Oh.
So, it's 8 out of 10. Pretty good. So now, we're gonna do orange. Alright, so as you can see, we've now got the orange one. Looks very orange. So, I don't smell anything. He's still a little bit orangey. I actually rate this a 9 out of 10.
You like it better than the cherry?
Mm-hmm.
Interesting.
It's a nice orange flavor, and you know, it's not like they're not going over the top with it. That's very nice.
What flavors coming up?
Alright, so now this is a lemon flavor. It looks like a thing where that's like the Easter eggs, and then you got the little hay. It looks like that. But it doesn't smell.
You interested in sandwiches?
That's nice. 8 out of 10. So, I feel like next, we should get this out of the way.
What flavor is this one?
Blue raspberry. Me personally, I do not like blue raspberry that much. Just saying. Alright, here's the blue raspberry. Blue. You know, of course, smells like nothing. Here's the thing. It's okay. I would much rather have either the orange or the lemon. So this is a 6 out of 10. And then there was 2. Just do the watermelon. Alright, watermelon. Green. Let's eat it. Oh my I love that. 10 out of 10. Can I go above 11? Like, that's really good. Even though it tastes like the artificial watermelon, it's just so. But I have high hopes for this one. Grape. Everyone loves grape. Just saying. Alright, here is the grape. Color of a grape. Smells like Sharpie. I don't taste any grape in this. I don't taste any grape.
Really?
You know,
There's a very subtle hint of the grape.
yeah, I can use that. Alright, so as you can see, we've got all of them here.
Actually, your brother took the blue raspberry one. That was his favorite, and it wasn't yours. So
Yeah, it was probably my least favorite one. So, right out of the, I'm sorry, I love cherry flavored things. It's just, this wasn't that good. I'm saying it.
but you would eat it if you had to, right? Yeah.
Now, we've got 4 more. The grape one wasn't that good. I could not taste a lot of grape. And then, it's between the orange and the watermelon. Now, you guys know which one it is. Watermelon. This had so much, like, watermelon taste in it. It was so delicious. By far the best flavor. So that's the video. If you enjoyed, like and subscribe. But it's been good. Rad King out.